Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make articles chart. After making this project, I will show you how to explain this project. So let's start. Now this articles project is ready to explain. First let us understand what are articles. The articles are the words a and the. They are used to define whether something specific or unspecific. First A. A is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. For example, a girl, a cow, a bird, a tree, a child, a cat, a table, a house. Then an is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific or if the noun starts with a vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. For example, an apple, an egg, an ox, an elephant, an ant, an orange, an uncle, an hour, etc. Then The is used in front of all nouns to describe someone or something specific or unique. For example, the world, the sky, the river, the forest, the king, the sun, the earth, the president. So this is our articles TLM or model. I hope you will like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.